In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a promotion with your YouTube channel to acquire new subscribers. So we are looking at my channel right now, and we have at the moment around 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 actually. Let's take a look in the dashboard. Okay, we have 1,564 subscribers. So it's a relatively small channel, okay? So I am in YouTube Studio, and I'm gonna come here to Content on the left, and then I'm gonna come here to Promotions. Okay, gonna click on Promotions, and I have been running a few promotions. I've been testing the waters. I've done a video previously explaining. The first promotion I ran was in the US, and I found that it's very effective in getting new subscribers, but the US was a little expensive. It was almost $1 per subscription, so it was too expensive. So what I was testing right now, I did exactly the same campaign with the same video, but this one here was running. I'm gonna click on it so you can see where it was running. This one here was running Canada, UK, US. And then this here on top is running Indonesia, India, and Philippines. Okay, and what I found is that they were both very effective in getting subscribers. So this one here, for example, had 19 views, this that was running in the US, and 12 subscribers. So very, very high number of people who view, they subscribe. However, you see, I spent almost $10 for 12 subscribers. So it was costing me almost $1 per subscription, which I thought was too expensive because I'm not really getting any money out of it, right? It's just subscribers. So for a small channel like me, I need this to be more efficient. So this for me has been the winning one because out of less than $10 that I spent, I acquired almost 200 subscribers. And it's incredible because this campaign has been running for not even 2 full days. I launched it yesterday. I want to say yesterday morning on the 23rd of May, and today is 24th of May afternoon. So it's been running over 24 hours for sure, but not 48 hours. And I already have almost 200 subscribers. So if you are a channel that is just looking to get to 1,000, this is a very efficient way to do it. You see, I got almost 200 with less than $10. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, you're going to come here and click on New Promotion, and you're going to have to set your goal. So you have 3 options: audience growth, video views, and website visits. Our objective is growth. We want to get more subscriptions and views of additional videos on your channel, okay? So select audience growth. Next, we're gonna select a video from the channel. So I'm gonna click on add. And I decided that the video I want to promote is this one here, which is for starters, people who completely new to spreadsheets and they don't know where to start. So I select this video, and here it just shows you where it appears. It will be placed among other videos on the YouTube app home feed, YouTube search results, and watch next, and this is how it looks like. So that's why you get such a high number of subscribers, because the subscribe button is right here, which is amazing. Okay, next, who will see your promotion? Now this is what we want to clean up. So I don't want US because, as I said, it's too expensive. Developed markets too expensive. So Canada has to go. UK has to go. So I could do India, I could do Philippines, you could do countries like Bangladesh. So countries that you know have high population, so you get more volume, you get more reach for your money. Okay, you can search advanced target. I don't want to do any advanced target. And I want to target in English, so, or all in languages. If you don't specify the language, it's going to target all languages, which is fine with me. Let's do all language. We know that in a lot of, especially in India, a lot of the behavior online happens in English, so English is fine. So you're going to click on next. You're going to add your budget. 200, as I said, for my channel is too high. I think, it depends on what kind of CPC you're going to get. It depends on your product, etc., etc. But I think you could even try to do $50 here and see what happens. Because as you saw, I had already 200 subscribers with $10. So I would try 50 and see what you get out of 50. Again, your results are not going to be the same as mine because it depends on the content, it depends on so many variables, it's an auction, etc., etc. So my results are not going to be your results, but I'm just showing what happened to me, okay? And then here's telling me with $50 I'm going to get, oh no, it's going to calculate again. So with $50 I'm gonna get probably between 63 and 300,000 impressions. Okay, here's telling me promotions with a total budget of at least 100 and to have better performance. What else is telling me? Based on your total budget, you spend an average of 3 per day until your end date. Okay, looks like 50 is a little on the low end. Again, I'm testing, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I've tested with 100 before and I saw that 100 was working really well. I wanna test with 50 and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and promote and we'll see what happens. I will do a follow-up video if you're curious to show you how this went. Okay, clicked on promote. And here is my campaign. As you see, it's not live automatically, it's pending, it goes through a review. I had a couple of campaigns that were disapproved. It gives you the reason if you hover over. I don't agree with this approval reason, but I was like, it doesn't matter, just choose a different video. Okay, so let's see if this gets approved and I will do a follow-up video to show you the results.